Today, we're going to explore the amazing features of Apple's new iPhone 16. Let's kick things off with the brand new A18 chip. This chip jumps 2 generations ahead of the A16, powering incredible new features and maximizing battery life. The A18 is designed with Apple Intelligence in mind, bringing advanced camera capabilities, including photographic styles and camera control. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or snapping photos, expect top-tier performance and efficiency. Next up is the Fusion camera system. This is a game-changer. The 48MP main camera now gives you a 2x optical quality telephoto option, essentially giving you 2 cameras in one. Plus, the 12MP ultra-wide camera lets you take stunning macro shots and gathers up to 2.6x more light for improved image quality. Now, let's talk about the all-new camera control button. Apple's made capturing photos and videos super quick and intuitive with this feature. This button integrates hardware and software so you can launch the camera, snap a photo, or start recording with just a light press or zoom in and zoom out by sliding button. Also, Apple's stepping into the AI space with their Apple Intelligence feature. The AI tools allow you to summarize notifications, transcribe and summarize calls, and even fine-tune your writing in emails or notes, whether you want to sound more professional, friendly, or concise. Lastly, Apple has revamped the camera design and added a new set of iPhone colors that are sleek and bold. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.